Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Trega, where we dive into the world of finance and explore the latest market trends. Today, we're talking about a significant drop in Indian shares, specifically focusing on the Sensex and Nifty 50. The story begins with the Indian stock market experiencing its fifth consecutive day of losses. The Sensex has fallen over 250 points, while the Nifty 50 is below the 25,000 mark. To understand this trend, we need to look at some key factors. One major contributor to this decline is foreign fund outflows. These outflows have been persistent for a while now, and they're keeping investors on edge. As Dr. V.K. Vijayakumar, chief investment strategist at Geojit Investments, points out, it's clear that investors are becoming increasingly cautious. Another factor adding to the market volatility is the recent U.S. visa curbs. These restrictions have created uncertainty among investors and contributed to the decline in Indian shares. Looking specifically at the Sensex, we can see how different sectors performed during this time. The auto sector fell sharply, while the realty sector also suffered. To better understand these movements, let's take a closer look at some specific stocks that were impacted by this recent market downturn. Now, when it comes to commodities, there are also significant changes happening. For instance, the dollar has strengthened against other currencies due to the Federal Reserve rate cut wagers becoming less certain. As we move forward in our discussion of the Indian stock market, let's consider how these global factors might impact domestic stocks and their performance. In conclusion, this drop in Indian shares is a clear indication that investors are taking a more cautious approach to the market. With foreign fund outflows and U.S. visa curbs adding to the mix, it's essential for any investor looking at opportunities or risks to stay informed about these global trends. That's all for today on Trega.